In this short video, I'm going to create a custom audience of people I already know that have contacted or interacted with my advert in the past. So this is my ad account. This is where I run all my ads, and currently one ad is active. I intentionally turned off this second one because it's not performing well. So it doesn't seem to be performing very well even if it has a high reach. So I want to use the data which was gotten from a previous ad which I know that performed very well. It was actually a video. So I want to create a custom audience from that ad and then create a lookalike audience. So two things I'm going to do. First of all, create a custom audience, and the second is to create a lookalike audience. Now, to explain what those two means, the custom audience is going to save these people from that previous ad, and then the lookalike audience is going to duplicate them, whereby Facebook is going to look for more people who share similar interests, behaviors, and demographics with those people I just saved as a custom audience. Hi, my name is Kenneth Benjamin, and if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing because I share videos like this once in a while. And also you can learn more about me by visiting kennethben.com. Alright, so let's get to it. Now, first thing first, I have a course on Facebook ads where I teach people how to run Facebook ads from a beginner level to a more advanced level. So even if you don't know how to create a Facebook page or a Facebook account, to get access to the course, just visit kennethben.com/fb-course as you can see on the screen. So you would land here on a landing page like this. So you can click on my account, go ahead and create your account, or you go through the course outline and then look at the course overview in the lesson 1 video under chapter 1. So that being said, let's go back to our Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. So here we are back on our Facebook Ads Manager dashboard, and what I want to do first is create the custom audience, just like I explained at the beginning of the video. So I would go to the hamburger menu here, I'll click on it. If you've used the ad manager before, you would notice that there's a little change in the user interface here, but all the tools you need to run your ads and manage your business accounts is still intact. So first of all, Facebook displays the shortcuts to important tools here and also some other tools below it. So what I want to do right now is to click on this expand menu, which you can see here. So this would expand the menu and reveal all the tools. Now under advertise, I want to get to audience, so I'll click on audience. So now the audience loads up, and you can see here that we have some audience before, and this audience are ready. They are in the ready state. You can also see the size of the audience. Also, you can see the type of audience. These are saved audiences. Saved audiences are audiences we choose through targeting. So when you start out with creating your ads, under the interest part, where you enter the interest, demographics and behavior, and then the age range you want to target, and then their location. So we save these audiences, and these are the title or the name I gave to all of these audiences. So right now I want to create a custom audience, which is another type of audience apart from the saved audience. So what I need to do here is go over to create audience, click on the arrow down, and then first of all I'll start with creating a custom audience. You can see we have the saved audience part here, which is the screen we are looking at right now. So I'll click on custom audience, and now the create a custom audience box opens up, and initially the customer list option was grayed out because this account was used on the Facebook ads which I told you earlier. And if you are also taking the course, you would notice that during the audience part this option was grayed out. But as you can see, some activities have gone on this account, and I've created ads multiple times. So my business is now a trusted business, and this option is now available to me. What this option means is I can upload my customer lists. If I have a list of customers who have visited me before, or I have email addresses of my customers, I can upload that list here and save them as a custom audience, so that when I run ads, it will show to only those people who have uploaded as a customer list. So only them will see the ad. So you might be a business that deals with customer data or collect leads. You might have loads, hundreds or thousands of leads. So this is a very good feature. You upload those leads here and then you run your ads, and your ads will be shown to those leads which you've uploaded. So I'm not going to go through all of the sources here, but you can see that the sources are divided into two parts. You have use your sources, which is from the website or your customer list and all of these other ones, and then you have use Facebook sources. So in our case, I'm going to use Facebook sources, and it's going to be video. Now you may be wondering, why am I using video? So the answer to that is, in the past I've created ads that I used video, and one of the ad I can remember very well performed very well, and now I want to create a custom audience from the data that was captured by Facebook based on the people who engaged with that video. So let me click on it so it makes sense. Here you can see that we can create a video engagement custom audience. So if I click on here, I'll start with people who have watched at least 50% of my video. I can go as high as people who have watched 75%. So let me stick with 75% because it's a higher percentage. So let's assume that people who saw at least 75% of this video had interest in what we had to sell or the services we promoted to them. So here I'm going to choose that particular video, and then I'll choose the page. Remember, you can manage multiple pages in an ad account. So I'll click down here to select the page, and this page, I'll click on it, and then here is that video. So I'll check the video, and then I want to add this other video and this other one. So we have 3 videos which we are going to create a custom audience of people who watch at least 75% of each of these videos. So you can see our selected videos over here, and now I'll click on confirm. So we have our 3 videos selected, 75% video views, and these video views must have occurred in the past 365 days. So you can decrease the number as you wish, but this is the highest, but I'm going to leave it as that, as the default. So just like every other audience, I'm going to give my audience a name. So I would say 75% video views from webinar ad. Okay, I think that's it. So now I'll click on create audience. So now we've created the audience, and then I'll click on next. In the next steps, you can create an ad using your audience right away from here, or you can expand your audience. So I'm going to take this step by step. So I'm going to click done for now. Now you can see we have a new audience type, which is custom audience engagement video. So our audience size is below 1000 and it is still populating. So we are going to scale this and increase it by creating a lookalike audience. So Facebook is going to look at this audience and find millions of more people who have similar interests. So on to the next step, lookalike audiences. You can create lookalike audiences in 2 ways while you are still on this page. First, you can click down here and click on lookalike audience and then select your custom audience. Or you can go the easy route, which is checking your custom audience and then clicking these 3 dots here and create lookalike. So now your custom audience has been automatically selected, and here you can see the number of lookalike audiences. So these are percentage of the combined population of your selected audience, which is the custom audience. So the higher the percentage, the more broad the audience becomes. The lesser the percentage by default, which is 1, the more similar and close to your custom audience the lookalike audience would be. I hope I didn't get you confused there. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if I drag this notch further to the right, the more broad the audience size will become, the lookalike audience size. So I would like to keep it at the middle, which is 5%, and I don't need to do anything with the name right now. So I'll click on create audience. So here you can see we have a new type of audience, which is lookalike. Now when I'm going to create my ad, I'm going to choose the lookalike audience. So no need to enter interests, like those keywords you type in when you start to advertise your product. Now you already have an audience which you know for sure are going to click on your ads and show interest in your product or services. So right now I'm off to create the Facebook ad and select my audience. If you already enrolled in my Facebook ads training, you must have gone through the part where I showed you how to create ads using a custom audience and also a lookalike audience. So if you are not part of the training, I would recommend that you go check it out. The link is on the screen as you can see right now. I don't want to make this video longer than it's supposed to be and also bore you with all the creating of the ad stuff. So I suggest you go check it out yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube because I post stuff like this once in a while. Have a blessed day or night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.